Get ready with me for Lakshmi Puja.
Hello everyone, Lakshmi Puja lagi एकदमै सिम्पल एन्ड सरल बिल्कुल रेडी चाहिँ सुरुमा चाहिँ म यो अलिक सिसिएर बनाउँछु त्यसको साथ चाहिँ भिटामिन सी लाई लक गर्नको लागि मोइस्चराइजर त्यस पछाडि सनस्क्रिन कलर अब चाहिँ म फाउन्डेसन लगाउने गर्छु एकदमै लाइट वेट गर्छु र यसलाई चाहिँ म हातले नै ब्लेन्ड गर्छु अहिले चाहिँ हातले नै ब्लेन्ड गर्छु हल्का चाहिँ लगाउनु हुन्छु हजुर चाहिँ म एकदम हातले नै ब्लेन्ड गर्न थिएँ जस्तो हुन्छ त्यसपछि चाहिँ कच्चीको लगाउँदैछु Now I'm going to set everything with powder, setting powder. Now it's time for the eyes. Small. Bimbang ko. Saya kasi mo iba makin away na. So ano malibang simple lagi. That looks nice. Now it's time for eyeliner. So mascara din also. Now it's time for my most favorite part, which is blush. And I have blush blindness. Is this considered blush blindness? Time for some mascara. My favorite lip combo. So it's great. So ini naman pinag ko mga hair and dreads na final look siya. So hair done. Mag-just kasi mga lagi. This is the pink kurta. And yung earring ko lang din ngayon. Sun or wait, masama ko juga dahil cute section. These will look nice. Obviously. As are on. So this is my final look for Lakshmi Puja. Go with the salt. This is the shawl. Sini Jason. This is like an umbrella. This is the shawl. So this is my full fit. This is my full fit for Lakshmi Puja.